While it's incredibly fun to visit dog parks for socializing and exercising, there are some hidden hazards to be aware of so that it can be a safe outing for everyone in your family. Here are a few important tips. First and foremost, it's important to understand that not every dog feels comfortable at a dog park. For many dogs, a communal environment with dogs barking and off-leash can trigger and worsen anxiety and stress. Watch your own dog's behavior carefully when you're in any setting with other dogs. If his ears pin backwards, eyes start to squint, back starts to hunch, or tail begins to tuck, these are signs of anxiety, and your dog is not comfortable in this setting. If these body postures are recognized, respect your dog's communication to you and remove him from the situation. This is a great opportunity to enlist a trainer and speak to your veterinarian about ways to make your dog more comfortable and confident in these settings. Alternatively, you may have a dog that just prefers backyards or neighborhood walks. The next thing to consider associated with dog park outings is to double check that your dog is medically protected. Many city-created dog parks have requirements for entry, including vaccinations that protect dogs from communal diseases and a current negative fecal screening for parasites. These are incredibly important not only for your own dog's health, but also for the health of the dog community. Talk to your veterinarian about these individual vaccinations to make sure they are all appropriate for your dog's individual health and daily routine. Once your dog is fully vaccinated, you need to also plan appropriately for the outing itself. In warm weather, make sure to have a collapsible water bowl with fresh water to avoid having your dog either not have access or drink from contaminated sources. Bring a leash and make sure that your dog has on a collar with an identification name tag and current proof of rabies tag. In extreme heat or humidity, visit these areas before 10 a.m. or after 5 p.m. to help avoid heat stroke. Take frequent breaks and seek out shady areas if possible. And if your dog struggles with being overweight, lives with any kind of respiratory disease, or is a breed that has a short face like pugs or bulldogs, remember that these dogs overheat much more easily. Finally, once at the dog park, it's again important to watch your dog's and others' behavior. Practicing in an urban environment, we see patients from dog parks with bite wounds or lacerations from traumatic interactions almost daily. If you notice your dog exhibiting those signs of anxiety, remove your dog from the situation immediately and take this opportunity for a break in the shade. If this behavior continues, postpone your outing and try to come back when the park is less busy or when your dog is showing more confident behavior. I constantly remind owners that we should pair our expectations of daily routines with our dog, not based on our own desires. And of course, a trip to the dog park can lead to plenty of dirt being tracked back into the house. BISSELL products can give you the help you need to keep the great outdoors on the outside. BISSELL supports many aspects of pet parents' lives, from helpful products that clean up life's messes to its work with BISSELL Pet Foundation, a nonprofit committed to finding loving homes for every pet. Together, they are saving lives of thousands of animals across the country.